Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to set up scene lighting, set up a high quality and next generation lighting for your old scene. This is an old scene, the lighting is not too much good, we want to make the lighting max out. First you need to import the lighting box, then install the post processing from the Unity registry. Okay, we have no error here. We can start the lighting. First you need to remove the directional light. Find your camera. We have no camera in the scene, so you need to add the camera. Now you can add the sound prefab into your scene. You can easily rotate the sun. As you can see, the sun is very useful tool to create the time of the day. Now you can open the lighting box. As you can see, the default setting is amazing and very good. Okay, first you need to create a lighting profile. I want to create in the tutorial folder. Nice. The first thing is choose a good skybox for your scene. This is a good skybox. Okay. Here you can control the ambient lighting. First of all, you need to clear the light map data from your scene. Now disable sun from here because we want to control the sun from sun prefab. I want to use the fully real-time lighting. Okay, as you can see, the default lighting is amazing. By few clicks you have a very good lighting. So add the camera move script and try playing the game. As you can see, the scene looks very good by default. Everything looks good, foliage, lighting and so on. We just need to a bit move the sun to see the different lighting. So lighting box, you can add global fog into your scene. Take a skybox color. Nice. As you can see, everything is so easy. Everything is so easy using lighting box. Also you can add the bloom effect to make your scene a bit fantasy. Nice. Also you can add the volumetric lighting. As you can see, our sunlight is volumetric. Take the sunlight. We have a volumetric lighting. You can also disable the bloom effect. Okay. Increase the vignette effect. Dramatic, stochastic SSR. Within the ambient occlusion effect, you can control the foliage shadows. The default setting is very good, but you can customize the ambient occlusion to have a good ambient indirect quality for your foliage. As you can see, the indirect shadows can be controlled using the ambient occlusion. Nice and realistic result. And I come from here a Sunshaft. Sunshaft is a good image effect. Customize it, everything is easy. You can add distance fog for a storm mode. If your weather is stormy, you can add the use the distance fog. If you like the height fog, you can use this option. As you can see, everything is so easy and simple using Lighting Box. Everything is so easy. Everything is so easy using Lighting Box. Okay, I like to use the global fog. Not bad. Now the final step is control the contrast. You can increase a bit your contrast or gamma. The default setting is good. Was good. Okay. And you can here control the cinematic view of your game. If you like to make your cinematic, from here you can find the cinematic render. I don't want the cinematic render. And you can control the exposure of your scene. The default value is good. Okay. Now just rotate your sunlight and enjoy from the result. Different time of the day. Everything looks realistic and beautiful. Sun intensity. I hope this video be useful to you. To create next generation lighting easily, just with few clicks. Let me to try the depth field effect. First you need to try the focus distance. Nice, everything is so easy. I hope this video be useful to you. Nice.